guys, so I know I'm not going to be here because it's like holiday weekend, but I sort of just want to do my first rant. So, first thing, since it's like, it's 4th of July, sorry. Since it's 4th of July, I'm going to be doing a rant on fireworks. I mean, like, the banment of fireworks. Okay, so where I live in Colorado, street fireworks are banned now because they've, like, killed someone or, I don't know the story. Probably broke someone's window. So, yeah, I mean, like, we aren't even allowed to do firecrackers. And when I heard about this on the news, I was really mad. Ooh, what is that? Guys, I'll be right back. My cut's sort of bleeding. 1 sec. 1 second. Sorry, it's gonna get stitched. Yeah. So back to fireworks. We can't even do firecrackers. And when I heard this on the news, I was really mad because I used to love firecrackers. My dog's in the room right now. You probably haven't seen this dog. His name's Rocky. Oh crap. I just spilled some pizza on the floor. Pizza crust, not pizza. So, Rocky loves food. He's looking at the pizza crust. This is supposed to be a rant about fireworks. Gosh, Rocky. Sorry. I'm picking up the crust. A lot of distraction today, I know. The cut and the pizza crust and the dog. Back to rant. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to Glenwood. We live in Colorado Springs, so going to Glenwood tomorrow, and then gonna stay there, and then come home for the 4th of July, go to the mountains and watch fireworks. So we're allowed to do fireworks in the mountains, of course, because that couldn't attack anyone unless you're a mountain person and you live in the mountains or something. Blech. That was on the floor. I forgot. Yeah, that's my first rant. I'll try to get better at rants. I need to stay on topic. And don't do fireworks in your neighborhood. If you live in the Colorado area, of course. I don't know if they're like illegal in Texas or something. Yeah, so Rocky, just trying to eat the pizza. I'll see you guys Thursday because I'm not going to film on Monday, so that's why I'm filming it right now. See ya. I'm sorry this was so long. Bye.